Hey guys, I want to explain the pathway activity. I know it says project. That's because originally, if you were in school, we would have made this a project. We'd do some in class, we'd do some at home. But because of all the weird changes, it's no longer a project, it's just an activity. So don't freak out about it. It's not horrible. It's really doable. First thing you need is a coordinate plane. If you have graph paper, that will make it easier. But if you don't have graph paper, I put a link for graph paper. You can print it out. If you have no access to a printer, then you'll just do this on a plain piece of paper and like a lined piece of paper and make your coordinate plane like normal. So here it is if you have a graph paper. If you don't have a graph paper, then you're going to do the same coordinate plane, but just on your regular paper. So you would draw your y-axis and your x-axis like that. Sorry. And then you can't see. And then you would draw your intervals like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go as far as you want, as far as you get to make up the points. So you get to make it as big or as small as you want. I would make it taller rather than wider, just because, I don't know, that's how I'm making it, but you can make it equal. That's fine too. So either on regular paper or on graph paper, that's your choice. Now these are broken up into quadrants, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The project or the problems, the points have to start here in the bottom and end here at the top. And you're going to do 2 in each quadrant. So for your first step, you're just going to pick 2 points anywhere you want in each quadrant. And the goal is to go back and forth like a zigzag. So you go there and there and there and connect your points. I'm going to pick 2 more here and there. Make sure that the points that you pick are on the crosshair, like at a corner, and not like randomly in the middle of a point. You want to be able to find the numbers really easily. So you don't want to make something really weird. So this is E. Somewhere up here is F. I'm going to change that one. So it goes D to E, E to F, and then maybe up here is a G. And then up here is H. I just see how I just picked random points. I didn't like count them out or measure them or in any way. A lot of them are in the same spots. That's funny. I can do that. I can change it if I'm like, oh, I don't want all of these 3 to be in the same. Maybe I'll change C to be a little bit over here somewhere so I get some adventure. But it doesn't matter. You do what works for you, what you want. So you're going to have a total of 8 of these points. I mean, that'll make 7 pathways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is step 1 and step 2. So that's all you have to do for the first part. And if that's all you do for today, that's enough. That's it. You're just going to pick points and go back and forth between each quadrant. The story behind this, like in your mind, you're picturing someone starting off on a journey, on a quest. So maybe they're at their house and they're going to a castle. There's like some sort of castle thing here. Yay, woohoo, castle. Okay, so they're on this journey from here to there, and they have to go on this epic journey back and forth. That's it. That's steps 1 and 2. You could probably do 3 if you wanted to, or you label this 1. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So you have 7 pathways, and they're all numbered, so you know which pathway is what. Do that. That's it. Do that today. I'll put a video tomorrow of what I expect for tomorrow, but today all you need to do is find your points, draw your lines, and label them. That's it. Don't freak out. Okay? Good luck, guys. Let me know if you have questions.